OSAAP has completely overhauled its online web portal, introducing powerful new features and quality of life improvements to simplify managing your shadowboard projects. After logging in with your Blue ID and password, you'll be greeted with a condensed dashboard with panels leading to all of the projects, boards, approval requests, and upload problems associated with your account. View all your existing projects or create new ones with ease. Add boards to a project, or edit existing ones. There's also the ability to add boards that were previously made in Blue Shadow with the existing boards function. Need to bring others into your project? Simply add their email, and they'll be ready to contribute. The new web portal also allows users to view all boards waiting for your review and approval. Select View Approval Requests to approve or deny any designs across all of your projects. The Upload Problems page will show requests from OSAAP to provide updated scanned images or answer design issues that have been encountered. You can now track all upload problems from a single screen. For users familiar with our previous project-based login system, this is a game changer. No longer will you need to log in separately for each project. Everything you need is now conveniently accessible in one unified portal. If you have any questions about a project, board, or general inquiry, you can create a support ticket at the top of the screen. Note that we also have an online knowledge base for articles and tutorials covering common customer questions. You can also reach out via the Contact Us option at the bottom. Managing your projects has never been easier. Experience the upgraded web portal powered by OSAAP Technologies.